Hi, how are you? Let's draw a nice sketch in green and blue. So this is going to be the green in the middle. I'm just putting the pencil here, and this is the ground actually. Okay, putting some smaller trees on the ground, just drawing hatches like me. You can have the little bit reflections on the water, making it a darker outlines, and going to draw the trees with the irregular branches, so it's going to be the thicker or little bit wider at the bottom. And as you know, there are lots of branches here, so the branches going to be little thinner or the smaller on the top as it goes forward. Okay, all right, and tree drawing is going on, simple and easy. You can put few leaves on top of the trees. Just you can draw like me. It's like a graphical symbols for the trees and the leaves. So mostly you can have some shadows at the bottom, and other parts there's going to be the lighter with a wide range of the falling lights on top of the trees here. Okay, and maybe you can draw some taller trees here on the corner. Okay. mm-hmm. Just putting the shades for the trees. mm-hmm. And the sceneries in a far distance, you can see just the very light appearance of those tree lines and the sceneries in a far distance. So just it doesn't have that much depth, only a few light strokes during the drawing. Okay, just putting it, the very few strokes, light strokes. Okay, and putting the shadows like this one, so the darker one is on the edge and other portion has a very light strokes. And here also you can see few light strokes on the water. And let's put the shadow of the tree on the water. It's going to be irregular because sometimes the wave patterns of the water just falling like a, it's not the perfect solid line. So as you know, the water just make the waves, and so the tree we can see like a zigzag pattern, not a straight line. So that's how you can see its reflections on the water. Okay, all right. Awesome. So this is how you can do a practice, very simple scenery. You can see it's like a water body, and beside it you can see the tree and its reflections, and in other sides you can see the very few greeneries there. Okay, just you can put a boat here, smaller boat. And you can put the reflection of the boat on the water. Okay, all right, and another line just drawing, just to make the board a realistic one. So there's a drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.